here to show you some unique products called fridge magnets. There are two types of fridge magnet with us. This is the round one and this is the rectangle one. Round, we have a magnet backside which you can stick to fridge, and this is also magnet backside which you can stick to fridge. In round fridge magnet, this is a magnet with round one. In the same type, we have badge. There we can see pin backside which we can pin to our dress. I will show. Which we can pin. This is the third type. We can use it as a keychain. This is the fourth one, which we have shirt magnet, which you can stick to our dress. It stays. These are our products which I show you now. You can get other designs in this in our website called www.aviexpress.com, and you also can get customized design on this, and it is also available in Amazon. You can search as AVI fridge magnet. For more details, you can contact given number. Thank you.